Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make pulled pork easily in a pressure cooker. I'm using fresh pork shoulder, about 3.5 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. It's got a layer of skin and fat, and a bone. I've washed the pork, dry it with paper towels. I removed the skin and fat because it's not ideal for this recipe. You can definitely make crackling with the skin and fat. It's a nice crispy treat. Cut the pork into 2-inch pieces. Season with a lot of coarse salt and fresh ground black pepper. Mix it up. Here's the bone that I cut around. I'll cook it along with the meat. I've got a large head of garlic here. Use about 7 cloves. Peel them and smash them up. I had some chopped ginger, so that's going in as well, about a tablespoon. For this recipe, I'm using an Instant Pot. You could use a standard or electric pressure cooker. First, sear the meat. I'll choose sauté and let the pot heat up. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Put half the pieces in so there's a single layer. If you put in too much meat, it won't sear properly. Leave the pieces alone for a few minutes and turn over. Ideally, you want the meat to look like this, golden brown. As long as they get some color, it's good. Sometimes with an electric pressure cooker, you'll get an error code like C8. The pot's too hot and it'll burn. So turn the unit off for a few minutes and then cook the next batch. That's the advantage of a standard pressure cooker. You don't have to worry about any errors. The second batch has some color on it. Now add the first batch back into the pot. The garlic and ginger, 1 cup of chicken stock or beef stock, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Give it a mix and put the lid on. Set the time for 45 minutes on high pressure. When time is up, leave the unit alone for 10 minutes. Then release the pressure. The float valve dropped down so we can open the lid. The meat almost shreds itself. There's barely anything you have to do. It's tender and very tasty. I move all the meat to a platter, spoon a little bit of the liquid all over so it stays juicy. The remaining liquid in the pot is very flavorful. Use it for soups and stews. What I do with the meat is I pile it on a bun, a little barbecue sauce on top, and it makes a great sandwich. If you really like barbecue sauce, mix some into the meat. Melted mozzarella cheese on top is also good. Coleslaw or pickles are perfect with this pulled pork sandwich. With just 6 ingredients: pork, garlic, ginger, stock, soy sauce, and brown sugar, not including salt and pepper since everyone has them in the kitchen, you can make a delicious pulled pork that doesn't take hours. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.